I'm afraid to work on customers' guns. What if I get in trouble and I'm stuck? Well, I've got good news for you. You don't have to worry about being stuck, because not only do you have the videos to support you step by step on working that customer's firearms, you also have live support where you can contact AGI's instructors and they'll help you walk through a problem. And worst case scenario, you get yourself in a real bind, you can send that firearm to one of our gunsmiths. They'll repair it, they'll charge you for it, but they'll tell you what you did wrong and how to go about it correctly next time. So what we've tried to do is eliminate the fear. And frankly, you just need to get started, because once you get started, you're going to find out that the education you have through the American Gunsmithing Institute and that whole deep understanding of firearms, of design, function, and repair, what that gives you, you're going to build confidence quickly. And even though we offer this repair service to all of our students, very few need to take us up on it. So if you get over your head, that's one option. But for other advanced gunsmithing situations, let's say you're not ready to barrel rifles yet, well, we have a network of gunsmiths, and you could find one of the other associate gunsmiths, send them that work, you handle the transaction, the customer doesn't even need to know, and he gets what he wants, you get the customer, and you provide some work for another gunsmith, and you learn. So there's many different options out there. And in fact, some gunsmiths decide that they don't want to do certain types of work, and they're very upfront with their customers and say, oh, that barreling work, we send that out to this particular gunsmith. Oh, that rebluing work, we send that out to another type of gunsmith. And they provide all the other services that they want to provide. The cool thing about this business, guys, is you get to choose what you want to do and what you want to work on. And in our business success course, I go into depth of how you set the rules. So learn design, function, repair, and you'll be a safe, solid gunsmith. And then don't worry. As you work, you will learn.